I start my morning with a cup of tea, as every student might do. And had it with Britannia biscuit.
Hey everyone, good morning or whatever time you are watching it, but this is morning and today I want to share my morning routine, like morning study routine with you people. And you can see by my dress up, it's very chilly wintry morning, so I woke up pretty late. I got up at about 8, then I made myself a cup of tea and now I will start my day.
So with an electrifying productivity mood, I make my to-do list and schedule it for the entire day. Also making 2 columns of do's and don'ts of the things so that I know which work I missed and is yet to be done. As for now, my to-do list is done. I actually like to keep my entire day previously scheduled and also keep it in front of me in that place that I can see it every time I want to. Now I will start with studying.
I just love this app called Forest and I love to just not get distracted and give myself a time limit. So
then I started revising from the chapter Feminism as a criticism study, which I prepared it yesterday, and I am just going through it again because it is the only way to paste things in your memory is to read, reread and to revise. So I have covered the power play of hierarchy and ideology of patriarchy to suppress feminist perspective. Then one by one I covered the writers and female critics of the Victorian to postmodern and thoroughly studied the 3 waves of feminism. Also highlighting and making notes to things which are important enough to make my personal notes so that every time I don't need to read from this big fat book. I am actually writing it in MCQs and short notes pattern, which is very easy to understand later. After writing for a while, I got up to check my routine of the day for today's class, which usually starts at 11 am.
guess what? I just checked the routine and all along I was following some other day's routine and I did not actually study for my online class at all. Like for the first class, we have to have read at least act 1 of one novel, like a novel. No, it's play of Sartre. Other than Nausea, I actually love Nausea, but oh my god, I don't know how would I do this, and I haven't yet had my breakfast. So I will just go quick and have my breakfast, then I will start with the novel.
So I had 2 rice and wheat buns with milk and strawberry for my breakfast. Isn't it delicious and wholesome? Then I fastly took my shower and changed to clothes.
I am done with my shower and breakfast quickly, and now I will read my text from my tab because I haven't yet got hold of the physical copy.
So I just went through the section highlighting and reading the play. Also did end up doing some critical study, for I did not have time to go through the entire text line by line. So this is how I do and take my note of the important section. I then took the important topics and wrote it in my copy. Also jotted down the problems I faced in understanding the play so that I won't forget in class to ask my teacher. As of now, my hair was pretty dry, so I tied it up and started to cleaning up my place and table where I am to do my online classes. Also to hydrate myself, I always keep a bottle beside me and got myself ready for the session. And thus, my online class began. Yay, it's me. So let me study and bye-bye.